This is a relay that gives your students a lot of physical activity and they can release some energy. But at the same time, it is a relay that helps them reflect and understand what happens with fish when they feed on microplastic in the ocean. This microplastic is covered by algae, and therefore it smells and looks like real food. And this is very damaging because this kind of microplastic food doesn't really give the fish energy. And in this relay you will simulate fish that live down on the bottom of the sea, and they swim up to the surface every night to feed. And instead of swimming up, your students will run for a distance, for example 50 meters or something like that. And what you need to prepare in forehand is to fill 100 paper bags, and you must fill them with either something made of plastic, like these plastic caps, and then something made of some other type of material, or candy maybe. Right now I just have these pom-poms. They are symbolizing food, and these are symbolizing plastic. And we suggest that you have 70 bags with plastic and 30 bags with whatever symbolizes food. And you mix them all at the end here. And these of course should be of equal size, so it's hard to see the difference. And now let's pretend now they are hidden in here. And you can divide your students in 2 or 3 teams. And they start by one from each team running up, grabbing a bag. And when they come back, let's pretend now this is a bag. When they come back to their team, they open the bag, they take out what's inside, and if it's plastic, they hand it to the next person in line, who has to hold this in his hand while running up and fetching a new bag, and then running back. And let's pretend now that this time he opens the bag and there is food in it. Well, then he can put it down. The food doesn't bother him, it doesn't slow him down, but this does. But he hands the plastic to the third person, who runs up. Maybe he grabs a new bag with plastic, comes back, open the bag, and they find the plastic. Okay, they have to now hand both these 2 pieces of plastic to the 4th person in the row. And you go on like this till all bags are removed, and then every team count how many items of food did they get and how many items of plastic, and the team which got most food wins. So of course then it's just a game, one team wins, but then you can start to reflect what happened with fish that actually believe they eat food, but instead they eat plastic. They don't get enough nutrients. Actually, this is very damaging for their health, and many fish die due to microplastic in the ocean. So there you can widen your perspective.